look, 25%. Oh, 25%. Oh, that's mine. But you get in a portion of it. And then they'll pay you back.
They're writing it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story.
Alright, come on.
Headlines.
Sure, buddy. Cool. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of the three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, Emma. That's my cousin. That's because I asked Red to go. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's house. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome. It looks like a form up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to score 3
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later.
See you guys.
See ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't hear me.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness.
I bet you
You think? Yeah.
through his earmuffs.
And
I'm not that
I gotta
loud.
take somewhere long to
Oh, nice hit there. Woo! Huh? You picking her up?
And my brother's here and I'm gonna take my brother home.
I forgot it, dude.
Too bad it's on the food. I was one time trying to do Mike must come back with somehow I didn't eat it. Oh my goodness, that was like a week after I was down at Phillies. No shit. I was down at Phillies. There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton, Paladin, Lee jersey. Oh, they had almost a jersey. Right there. Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls. I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he your mate?
No, you can go.
What's your name?
John.
What's your last name? Yeah.
Well, you can take it down.
Well, I already know we're 9 points for that.
That's freaking awesome.
Is it? Like down in Chinatown? Down by Bulltown? I know where Bulltown is.
Is that what's called Georgetown? We just call it Bullfrog.
Yeah, I could hang out at Bullfrog Inn for a little bit and get some drinks on. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, man. Well, you got two sisters and a team.
Oh, you guys got your team. Yeah, I had to go before you go.
You can go later.
I'm not sure about it. You gotta take some people along. Well, I
Everybody's like, Intercourse is gonna win.
Oh my goodness.